Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of nautical decor with the Sukh 1 PC Fishnet Decorative. If you're looking to bring a touch of the ocean into your space, this might just be the perfect addition. Let's explore why this fish netting stands out from the rest. The Sukh 1 PC Fishnet Decorative is crafted from high-quality cotton rope, giving it a durable yet authentic feel. At 78.74 inches long and 39.37 inches wide, it's sizable enough to serve multiple decorative purposes. Whether you're planning a nautical-themed party, decorating a bedroom, or creating a cozy corner for your little ones, this netting offers versatility. First off, its design exudes a strong Mediterranean vibe, ideal for creating that seaside ambiance. The hand-woven net is not only aesthetically pleasing but also eco-friendly and washable, ensuring long-lasting use. You can easily customize it by attaching photos, postcards, or even lightweight items like stuffed animals, making it a functional piece beyond just decoration. Speaking of applications, this fish netting serves various purposes. It's perfect for themed parties such as nautical, pirate, or mermaid gatherings. Imagine using it as a backdrop or table runner to instantly transform your space. It can also double as a storage solution, hanging plush toys or balloons, adding a playful touch to any room. According to feedback, customers appreciate its authenticity and the ease of incorporating it into various decor themes. It's been popular among event planners and home decorators alike, with many praising its visual appeal and practicality. To wrap it up, the Sukh 1 PC Fishnet Decorative is undoubtedly one of the best options out there if you're looking to bring a bit of the ocean into your home or event. Its quality craftsmanship, versatility, and budget-friendly price make it a winner in my book. If you're interested in getting your hands on the Sukh 1 PC Fishnet Decorative, I've left a link in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more reviews like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on Product Critique.